Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question, and this is the first question of the contest, and which states that find the integer added to array 1. So in this question, we are given two arrays of equal length, nums1 and nums2. Now, yes, equal length. Now each element in nums1 has been increased or decreased by an integer represented by a variable x. Okay, so what we are doing, we are either increasing or decreasing every value by a variable x. Now we need to find, as a result, nums1 will become equals to nums2. Now we need to find that integer x. That means, now what do you mean by equal? That means they will have the same frequency of all the integers. So essentially they are having equal elements, but order might be different. So now what we can do first, if we check the constraint, so nums1 dot length, nums2 dot length are only 100, and nums1 of I, nums2 of I is only 1000. So we can clearly apply algorithm of any sort in terms of time complexity in this question. Now, what will be the easiest way? Now we know that if two, let us say, just a second, let us say these are the arrays. Now we know that only one element will be added or subtracted to all the numbers. So what we just need to do is, if we can sort, if we sort the array, let's say this becomes 2, 4, and 6, and this is 5, 7, and 9. So I will compare this with this with this, and this with this. Now in the question, it is given that yes, there will always be an answer. There will always be an answer. So I'm sure that what I need to do or subtract or add for the first element, I need to do it the same for all the elements. So I will clearly, after sorting, can check nums2 of 0 minus nums1 of 0. So no need to check all the elements. Just I check these and I got the answer, and I will simply return that. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.